Welcome back to Cousin John Car Stuff. So here's my latest acquisition, replacing the 2017 Sonata Hybrid. It's 2019 Sonata SEL Gas. Very nice, very straight body. It is a former rental car, and as you can see potentially there, it's got one little nick in the driver's wheel. And aside from that, it's just spotless, wonderful. You could use a good vacuuming, but we get what we get. So the body's all nice and straight. Former rental car. Well, John, how do you know that it wasn't wrecked and the body shop at the rental company did body work to it? 14,000 miles is what it had when the previous owner bought it. That is true. But at that time, if you think about it, rental companies wanted to have fleets of nice cars. This was 2 years ago, May of 2020. Just the right time to buy before the current health crisis and everything came into play. And sure enough, shortly after that, the health crisis came in and car prices went nuts. Now it's the gas SEL version, the 2.4 engine. It has vents in the back. 76,000 miles. I acquired this one back at 74,000. Previous owner drove quite a bit. 60,000 miles in 2 years. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's just super nice. Got the silver trim. And yes, it is black interior. But interestingly, it's actually black, even though it may not look like it in the video. Even on the hottest day, it does not scorch your back. And the steering wheel controls, etc. Push button start. Power driver's seat. Manual passenger seat. John, you're going from 40 miles a gallon to 31, 32 miles a gallon? You're nuts. No, as I said in the hybrid sold video, it made sense to cash that one in at this time and to acquire this one which came up. Private party. So I'll go into the numbers on Saturday's video. How much extra will it cost to run this one versus the hybrid? How much extra am I going to spend a week on this? And I'll have that Saturday. So, as you can see, it's nice and solid. Hasn't had any issues in 60,000 miles. And the trunk release is right there in the Hyundai logo. Trunk is nice and spacious. Not that you can see it in this light, but flip down back seats. You pull the lever here, flip them down. And folding back seats, so this is it. I'm happy with my decision. I'll go into the dollars and cents of the gas situation on Saturday's video. The color is known as machine gray, and you may or may not be able to see, but it's got a subtle touch of metal flake in it, and it's rather a nice, attractive, well-kept car. So that's it for this one. Thanks for stopping by. Please like, share, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Let's see if we can keep the channel growing. We're over 100 subscribers. Let's see how we can do with getting to 200 subscribers. So that's it for now. See you Saturday. Take care, everyone.